This video we're going to learn the basic one balloon cat. A little more complicated the dog because of the head, but really cute, lots of fun. So grab a balloon, grab a pump, and let's get ready to have some fun. For our basic one balloon cat, I've got a single 216. I've inflated it, leaving about a hand and a half, not quite a hand and a thumb, uninflated. We're going to come to the nozzle end, and I also left a little bit of extra tail on the end after I tied the knot. That'll be handy in a minute. So I'm going to do about a 3-finger bubble. Then I'm going to make a small round bubble, and this bubble is going to be a pinch twist, which is why you want to make it round. The secret to a good pinch twist is making that bubble round. So we're going to turn it like that, and you're going to grab the two twists, pinch them together. That's where it gets its name. Twist it around a couple times, and you get that. That's going to be our cat's nose in a moment. Squeeze it, keep it kind of soft. I'm going to do another 3-finger bubble, and I'm going to make, after that one, a basic bear head. Now, someone says to make a basic bear head, it's basically going to be 5 bubbles. The first one I'm going to do about 4 fingers. Then I'm going to do a pinch twist. So make a small round bubble, make that a pinch twist. Then I'm going to make about a 3-finger bubble. See how this one is slightly smaller than that one? I think that gives its head a little better look. And if you let go of that, don't worry about it, because as you can see the line where it's twisted, we'll know we'll put it back there in a minute. So make another small round bubble for our cat's other ear. Now I'm going to put this one back in where it was. Then I need another 4-finger bubble over here. These 5 bubbles are what's referred to as a bear head. So you're going to take where these come together, twist them together 3 or 4 times to make sure they're twisted nicely. Then you're going to take this section we've got here, and where we got the original first bubble and the knot, poke that about halfway through the head, so it's sticking out like that. Then you're going to take this tail, and make sure you grab, when you grab the tail, don't grab the end of it, grab the knot. Bring it down, and then twist that around the base of the head several times, and then tuck that tail up inside the head there. This is your cat's face. Then we're going to I'll just make a small round bubble for the neck. Then I'll make 2 about 3-finger bubbles. Those are our front legs. Make about a 4-finger bubble for the body. 2 more 3-finger bubbles for the back legs. And I make his legs smaller so we have more for the tail. Give it a little bit of shape. And there you have your basic cat. Well, there you have it, the basic one balloon cat. Be sure and practice, stay twisted, check back. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Help me keep making more videos so you can keep learning and having fun. Have an awesome day. Oh, stay twisted.